How to repeat YouTube videos automatically. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose and I'm here to guide you on how to repeat YouTube videos automatically. Watch the video till the end and without any further ado, let's dive right into the video. Launch YouTube app on your device. Log in to your account. So let me inform you that there is no particular way that YouTube gives you to repeat YouTube videos automatically, but here's a trick on how to repeat it by seeing this video. So first of all, you have to open or tap on the particular video that you want to repeat automatically. Then swipe and tap on save button. After that, tap new playlist and you have to give the title for this playlist. You have to type in replay and now tap on create button. Once you have done that, exit from this section and then tap on the profile icon at bottom right corner of the screen. Scroll down. Then you need to go to your playlist and tap on view all. And then you have to go to the replay playlist, tap on it to open it. After that, you will get the option of two arrows, which is forward and backward arrow at top left corner. Simply you have to tap on it, and once you have played this video, then once it ends, automatically it will repeat this video automatically. So in this way you can easily repeat YouTube videos automatically. Hope this video helped you. If you are new to our channel, hit the like button and subscribe for more tech and tips videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.